Hi, how are you? This is Tetsu. I'm gonna show you about recall for between 2007 to 13 Mitsubishi Outlander and Outlander Sports. This windshield wiper motor and arm replace the new one from the manufacturer. It is free replacement. This arm, one piece of arm and windshield wiper motor replacement. So remove the plastic cover of the windshield and replace a 10mm screw, and motor is a 10mm head, 3 screw, and also this new arm, it is just clip in, easy to install. Okay, when this remove old motor to put new motor. Location is here. Okay.